3, 2, 1, start. Applicant seeks bail in case crime number 219 of 2021 under sections 147, 148, 149, 307, 326, 427, 34, 302, 120 B IPC Section 30 Arms Act 1959 and Section 177 Motor Vehicles Act 1988 Police Station Tikunia District Lakhimpur Kheri during the pendency of trial. The counter affidavits filed on behalf of the victim as well as the state and the rejoinder affidavits are already on record. The written submissions filed by the parties at the conclusion of arguments are also taken on record. For the sake of brevity, the prosecution story is not being repeated here as the same is already discussed in the earlier orders. Sri Gopal Chaturvedi, Learned Senior Counsel, has submitted that applicant has been falsely implicated in present case. He has further submitted that in the ancestral village of applicant, that is Banvirpur, a traditional wrestling competition is organized annually. As such, on 3/10/2021, a public meeting was also organized in the wrestling competition in which the Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Kesav Prasad Maurya was the chief guest. Learned Senior Counsel has categorically stated that in the name of farmers, some leaders of the opposition parties in association with anti-social elements decided to protest the visit of the chief guest in village Banvirpur against a statement made by the father of applicant, namely Ajay Misra, regarding protest of the farmers in relation to the three agricultural laws. It is stated that the helicopter of the chief guest was to be landed at Maharaja Agrasen Playground Helipad, Tikunia, and thereafter the chief guest had to proceed by road to the place of wrestling competition. However, without any permission, a number of protesters who were armed with lathis, swords, etc. gathered there along with notorious persons and encroached the entire area and even dug up the helipad, making it impossible to land the helicopter there. He has further stated that the description of the incident as narrated in the FIR is false. Rather, three persons, including the driver of the vehicle of applicant, were killed by the protesters and no such incident as alleged in the FIR had taken place. Learned Senior Counsel has further submitted that on being chased by the protesters, the driver of the vehicle tried to run away from there in order to save himself as well as the applicant, but since the road, which was only 12 feet wide and on which admittedly the protesters were standing on both sides of the road, the vehicle overturned and fell into the ditch on the side of the road. He has next submitted that one FIR number 220 of 2021 under section 143, 147, 148, 149, 323, 324, 336, 302, 109 IPC PS Tikunia District Kheri was also lodged by one Sumit Jaiswal, stating therein that on 3/10/2021 a wrestling competition was scheduled to be held at the village of Ajay Misra, in which Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Kesav Prasad Maurya, Government of UP, was the chief guest. It is alleged in the FIR that the informant along with other persons went to receive the chief guest. The informant was in the Thar vehicle which was being driven by one Hari Om Misra. However, on the way, the protesters attacked the vehicles in which the driver of the Thar vehicle, namely Hari Om Misra, received head injury and he stopped the vehicle on the side of the road. Thereafter, the driver was dragged from the vehicle by the protesters. The informant and others somehow succeeded to run away from the spot to save their lives, but the driver Hari Om Misra and two others were not so lucky and were caught by the protesters and later on, as per information, were killed by them. There being a cross version of the present case, the applicant is entitled for bail. Para. Learned Senior Counsel has also vehemently pointed out that crime number 220/2021 lodged from the accused side is a sort of a cross version on the ground that both the sides have sustained injuries, including the death of 8 persons and the lodging of subsequent FIR by way of cross version is permissible under law on the basis of full bench judgment of Supreme Court in the case of Upkar Singh versus Ved Prakash and others, and such the present bail application is sought to be decided on the basis of evidence of both the cases arising out of same transaction relating to the same occurrence at the same point of time and same place as propounded by full bench judgment of Supreme Court, and the contents of paras 23 and 24 of the aforesaid judgment of 3 judges is being quoted below. Stop.